crazy run because I can. Yippee! Yeah, I took the mop and on floor 1. I like trains. I don't want to show. What? What the Riz? I'm so Sigma. What? Like it auto-corrected me. Medkit here. Come over here, Gigi. Good girl. Okay. Barry boy. Hush, little baby, don't you? She didn't see. Don't snitch. It's a sign. Yeah, we got on that floor to Pebble. Say it, baby, can't pull on it, girl. Can't. Wait, what? Can't treat me like this, and I forget. I'm waiting outside your door. Billy's gonna eat you. Sorry. Haha. Hey, this is so fun. Wait, come on, guys, grow up. My God. I just like to speak gibberish. It's my language. Billy, my boy! Sorry. I yacht too much. La, la, la. That's what his brother reminds me of. La, la, la. La, la, la. Wow! Get in, you furry! Sorry. Yeah, you know what I have to say? I'm not taking tapes. That's crazy. I don't know who would do that. No, let me do a machine, you ugly fat idiots. Oh my God. Excuse me. I'm speaking in such a horrid language. let me say. I'm looking down in despair with my eyeglasses on. No! Whoa, foul language, guys. Hate is a very strong word. I would recommend saying, "You're no one, I hate you so much." Please go. Next time we'll do a square solo run and I'll be so good. Trust. What did I do? This is why you're hot ball. This is why you bald, Sandy. You're wearing a wig. Trust. I will laugh by At least I have. At least I have luscious hair. My hair's attached to me, actually. And you're a berry. Yeah, Clips is that one. No! Oh, I might have to I briefed Astro. I'll save you. Wait, no. Getting harassed. Stop. I'm getting harassed by a rock, a shell. Stop it. I'm actually getting harassed. Oh my god. Stop. I don't have my thing. Stop. Shelly. Stop! Stop! Oh my god, I'm getting jumped! Ashley, thank you! They know.
How do I do this one?
It's just me. It's just me. I'm the last one alive. Oh no, I so fast. Who's getting harassed? Astro's getting harassed. Oh no. No. Wait, Sprout's still alive? Stop.
Species on Earth.
Oh my god. No, I almost got seen by Boxer and almost died, but then Sprout was there and he saved me. I'm sorry. Everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna get cornered. I have shells on my right and a V on my left.
That hurt me.
Stop. Stop. Astro, stop. 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 You're all harassing me. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Like, I have no stamina. I'm dead. It's only Sprout. I'm so done with this game.
I got 2 badges from that.